I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check the device IP, gateway, and SSID so you know the network state. Once confirmed, power cycle the modem and router for 30 seconds to clear transient faults, then reboot your device. If issues persist, plug an Ethernet cable or use a mobile hotspot to determine whether the problem is the ISP, the router, or the device. This isolates where to focus next and saves time versus random changes. Once you've isolated the problem zone, run targeted diagnostics. Ping the gateway and 8 and run traceroute to identify where packets fail. Make sure DNS resolves by using ENSLOOKUP or changing to a reliable DNS like 1.1.1.1. Inspect router settings, firmware version, DHCP range, wireless channel congestion, and MTU. Adjust if needed. If software could interfere, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus. Or boot. Finish by applying the appropriate fixes. Update router firmware, restore correct settings or perform a controlled factory reset, renew the DHCP lease, and run a speed test to confirm improvement. Make sure to document each change and keep a rollback plan or backup file so you can undo anything that causes instability. If the connection still fails, gather logs, traceroute output, and timestamps. Then contact your ISP with that evidence so they can escalate. This speeds resolution and avoids repeated basic troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.